भारत की तीसरी सबसे बड़ी नॉन लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी नेशनल इंश्योरेंस के चेयरमैन सनत कुमार ने ये कहा है कि साल FY17 FY18 के अंत तक वो कंपनी को लिस्ट करेंगे। सनत कुमार से एक्सक्लूसिव बातचीत की अनुराग शाह ने।
सर, सबसे पहले मैं आपसे यही समझना चाहूँगा, जिस तरह से अब कैबिनेट की भी मंजूरी मिल गई है जनरल PSU कंपनीज को स्टॉक एक्सचेंज पे जाने के लिए, तो उस सिलसिले में आप किस तरह से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं और क्या जो आपकी कंपनी के लिए जो एक सॉल्वेंसी रेशियो है वो एक चुनौतीपूर्ण होगा आपकी कंपनी को स्टॉक एक्सचेंज पे लिस्ट कराने के लिए?
Solvency margin was kept at 1.26 because it was part of cleaning the balance sheet and strengthening the balance sheet in view of the IPO. Now we have been engaged with IRDA and the ministry, and we have developed and submitted an action plan last year itself. I'm not talking about this year, on how and when we will be able to move it to full capital adequacy, which has been accepted by the IRD, and they have given enough leeway and all that. So we are very much on course in that action plan what we have submitted to Government of India and to the regulator. So we have already our solvency margin has improved to 1.31 as on end of the third quarter, and we will see further improvement by the end of the fourth quarter definitely, if not the full capital adequacy. So we have on one side a very clear action plan for meeting the capital adequacy. Simultaneously, we also started preparing ourselves for an IPO somewhere down the end of this financial year.
यस सर। तो सर, आप एंड ऑफ फाइनेंशियल ईयर की बात कर रहे हैं, तो सर उसके अंदर एक आप क्वांटम बता पाएं, क्या क्वांटम होगा?
No, this quantum, the government has broadly announced that they will be disinvesting about 25 crores. Apart from that, there has not been any decision, individual discussions with each of the companies on what will be the amount, what will be the valuation, what will be the offloading of the market. That is in the process. But before that, we need to have a lot of internal thing of, we have never been valued because, we have been 100% held by the government so far. So there's a lot of exercise in identifying our strengths and weaknesses, valuations, and all those processes that should go into a final red herring prospectus. Yes. So this work is already on internally. Various kind of processes are already on, identifying the the merchant bankers, identifying the other agencies and all that. We are now starting that.